Paycheck Manager is a revolutionary online payroll management software. You can prepare, print, and edit paychecks anytime, and the system will calculate payroll taxes and prepare payroll returns based on the checks you've saved. It's simple, flexible, and efficient. You can manage payrolls anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Basic company information is required for registering. Payroll tax deposit schedules are set by the IRS based on your payroll history, and most small companies are required to make tax deposits every month. Please make sure you enter the correct tax ID, also known as your employer identification number. Once saved, the EIN cannot be changed. You will need to delete the company to start over. Once you log into your account, you will end up on the My Account page. The left-hand side main menu lists all of the tools that you can use to manage your payrolls. Under Manage Paydays, you can create a payday, meaning a batch of paychecks, continue with a payday you have started, or view previously completed paydays. Unlike other payroll programs that require you to input all of your information all at once, our patented software allows you to input data as it becomes necessary. This enables you to start preparing paychecks quickly by not having to deal with a complicated setup. Payroll is an annual process. All taxes and earnings are accumulated for each calendar year for each employee. Before you start to prepare paychecks, if you have issued any paychecks in this current calendar year, you need to enter those checks into your account first, so future paychecks and payroll reports can be generated correctly. On the other hand, if this is the first time this year that you are issuing paychecks, you can start to prepare paychecks right away. No reconciliation is needed. There are two ways for you to enter your current year paycheck records into your account. The first way is you can use Create Paydays to recreate all paychecks starting with the first paycheck of the year. By doing this, you will essentially rebuild your payroll history in Paycheck Manager. After paydays are done and paychecks are created, under Manage Paychecks, you can click View Paychecks to see the paycheck history for each employee, to edit, delete, or print the checks. The second way to update your paycheck records is to use an after-the-fact check to enter the check information. An after-the-fact check is like a blank check. You can enter any amount to reconcile your payroll records. Instead of recreating every prior paycheck, we suggest you create one after-the-fact check for each employee, showing the totals up to the end of the last quarter. Then, create another check for amounts in the current quarter. This way, future paychecks will show the correct year-to-date amounts, and the quarterly report, such as Federal Form 941, will also be accurate. Because the amounts you entered will be used to compute employers' tax liabilities, you should enter amounts as precisely as possible, to 3 or 4 decimal places if necessary. In summary, in order to start preparing paychecks, you first need to update your records by gathering your current year paychecks. You can either recreate all paychecks using Create Paydays, or use an after-the-fact check to update your records. If you're a new company or starting this software early in the year, then the first option is your best bet for detailed and correct quarterly and annual reports. If you're beginning later in the year, though, after-the-fact checks will be the easier option. In the follow-up 3-part videos, we will explain 1. How to prepare and manage paychecks, 2. How to prepare tax vouchers, and 3. How to prepare payroll returns.